Welcome back to the show Health Talk with Balbir ਤੇ ਅੱਜ ਨੇ ਸਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਪ੍ਰੀਤੀ ਬਰਾੜ ਜਿਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਅਸੀਂ ਗੱਲਬਾਤ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ how we can have a health benefits and the skin benefits from the natural products, how we can feel the skin naturally. So ਅਸੀਂ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨਾਲ ਗੱਲਬਾਤ ਕੀਤੀ ਹੈ ਆਪਣੀ ਮਸਾਜ ਕਰਨ ਦੇ ਲਈ castor oil ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਬੜੀ ਅੱਛੀ ਚੀਜ਼ ਦੱਸੀ ਹੈ and then the coconut oil. I have heard even the coconut oil has a SPF in it too, 15.
It does.
Yes, so
ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ
ਸਨਸਕ੍ਰੀਨ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਅਸੀਂ ਲਗਾਉਂਦੇ ਹੈਗੇ ਕਈ ਵਾਰੀ ਉਹਦੇ 'ਚ ਕਾਫੀ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਸਟਰੋਂਗ ਕੈਮੀਕਲਸ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਨੇ ਅਗਰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਬਹੁਤ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਸਟਰੋਂਗ ਧੁੱਪ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਨਹੀਂ ਜਾਣਾ ਹੈਗਾ ਸੋ ਯੂ ਕੈਨ ਈਵਨ ਯੂਜ਼ ਦਿਸ ਵਨ ਸਪੈਸ਼ਲੀ ਇਨ ਦ ਵਿੰਟਰ ਟਾਈਮਸ ਇਫ ਯੂ ਆਰ ਨਾਟ ਗੋਇੰਗ ਆਊਟ in a strong sunshine. So Preeti, if you can let our viewers know about the brushing.
Okay,
and then you have brought that beautiful one, and I have seen that in India too, to be honest. We used to do this when I was young, so I think in India I can see this in every house, to be honest, and then I would like to have more knowledge about this.
Okay, now this one's a loofah actually on a stick, so you can definitely exfoliate your body with this. Now the subject I wanted to bring up was dry brushing, which is, it looks similar to this, but it has bristles on it, almost like a brush. Okay. So that's like dry brushing, but it's kind of similar. So I'm going to show you with this because I couldn't bring a dry brush today, unfortunately. But the benefits of dry brushing actually are really good because, again, our skin is our largest organ.
Yes.
So we really want to take care of the surface and make sure that it's functioning properly.
Especially in the winter when it's like getting too dry with all that heat around.
Right. Yes, for sure. You definitely want to do a lot more exfoliation in the winter.
Yes.
So now what you would do is with a dry brush, you would start at the bottom of your feet and you would work up your legs up to your thighs, and ideally you want to work from the bottom up and move the circulation towards your heart. Okay. So that's definitely an important factor, and that the circulation is actually a really good thing. So you want to definitely vigorously do this, that you're creating like a heat or a warmth. Because what happens is when you bring circulation to the skin, you're providing nutrients and food for those skin cells to develop. Right? So we really want to replenish good oxygen to our skin. So definitely create a circulation. It will also clear up, like if people get, the ingrown hairs. So a lot of, especially Indian people, suffer a lot from ingrown hairs.
Yes.
It's a very common thing. So it's a great way of getting that dead skin off so that the hairs can surface to the surface. It's also a really good measure to do if you get a lot of acne or blackheads on the body. That will help to remove and improve. But your skin will start to really glow as you do this. And this is a good remedy to get into regularly. And then go into the shower after you've done this. You're literally going to make yourself really white almost from all the dead skin.
Yes, so I have seen people, like I was telling before, that back home I think ਹਰੇਕ ਦੇ ਵਾਸ਼ਰੂਮ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਇਹ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਸੀਗਾ ਸੋ ਅਸੀਂ ਨਹਾਉਂਦੇ ਸਮੇਂ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਐਜ਼ ਅ ਝਾਵੇਂ ਵਾਂਗੂ ਜਾਂ ਵੈਸੇ ਐਜ਼ ਅ ਸਕਰਬਰ ਯੂਜ਼ ਕਰਦੇ ਹੈਗੇ ਆ ਸੋ ਬਟ ਦਿਸ ਟਾਈਮ ਸ਼ੀ ਇਜ਼ ਟੈਲਿੰਗ ਦੈਟ do it before the shower.
The brushing,
it means like you're doing it on the dry skin.
On the dry skin.
And then taking off all that white stuff. ਜਿਹੜਾ ਸਰਦੀਆਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ especially ਕਈ ਵਾਰੀ ਅਗਰ ਤੁਸੀਂ 2-3 ਦਿਨ ਆਪਣੀ body ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਨਾ ਲਗਾਓ, you see your black socks having that whitest stuff in there. So it's better to do it before the shower. And how often you should do it?
Ideally daily, actually.
Wow.
Yeah, and
I don't think in Canada people have that much time.
No, I know, and it's true, and I understand that. So you could spend 5 minutes, or you could spend 10 to 15 minutes if you really were being thorough. But if you're doing it daily, 5 minutes would be a good fix. But if once a day is hard, then definitely do it like a few times a week, 3 times even, maybe once a week. Make Sunday your day. Pick something, right? So start somewhere. You'll notice an improvement regardless. And the other benefit to doing any sort of brushing is that it also moves the lymphatic system. Which the system,
that's great.
Yeah, the system actually needs a pump it doesn't have a pump, but it needs some sort of pumping action.
Yes.
So exercise helps to move the lymphatic system, but also using the brush and moving the system that way will help the detoxification of the lymph system
that's like giving a spa treatment, like you go for a facial just for the face, and this is like for the whole body, you're scrubbing the whole body.
Yes, absolutely. And there's a lot of benefits to this. Now, another benefit you can do, especially with women who suffer from cellulite, which I know a lot of us do. Again, this is really good because you're really moving around those fat cells and all the lymph. That starts to improve the texture of the skin.
Wow.
Especially if you're doing in conjunction with diet and exercise, you'll notice very quickly how nice your skin will start to become just from those few habits to get into.
So another thing, this is just kind of a stupid question. So many times अगर ਅਸੀਂ सोचते हैं कि ਅਸੀਂ ਇਹ करना शुरू करना हैगा, so ਅਸੀਂ ਭੁੱਲ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਹਾਂ. You enter into the shower, you're wet, and then you're like, oh my God, I was supposed to do the dry brushing. So still you can do a wet one that has a little bit of benefit instead of not doing
this one's actually really good for that. That's why I didn't bring the dry brush, but the loofah is really good because you can add a body wash to this. And you can go ahead and do the same action. It's not as abrasive, but you can still do this daily and get a good exfoliation going that way. There are other ways of doing that. With I know sometimes you can find the gloves that are really rough and that you can just exfoliate that way. You can put some body wash in there or some soap.
That's like in the shower you can do.
You can definitely do those exfoliation methods in the shower too.
Okay, that's great. So what are the other, you can tell us, home remedies for the beautiful skin? Like some people, they use even honey, lemon.
Absolutely. Yeah, honey is actually a really good one. It has antibacterial, antiviral properties. So people suffering from acne, really good at healing that. Also for acne, we were talking earlier, tea tree oil as a spot treatment can be really good at drying those up. Also with different
like people make even some homemade scrubs for the face, like a besan or corn flour and all those things.
You can definitely do that.
The people put even the turmeric powder in the besan and then do it. We in our culture, we do it a day before the wedding. ਦੁਲਹਨ ਨੂੰ ਜਾਂ ਦੁਲਹਨ ਨੂੰ ਸੋਹਣਾ ਬਣਾਉਣਾ ਹੈਗਾ, then we do that. ਅਸੀਂ besan ਦਾ ਬਣਾਉਂਦੇ ਹੈਗੇ ਆ. So I think all those natural products are way more better than what so many times we get into, and then what we buy from the outside, and we think like, okay, no, those products are better, but the natural products has better results and they have a better value. So how about these the products that you have brought it, the Essence products? So what are those ones?
Okay, so Skin Essence.
Are they natural?
They are. They're an organic line, which is really nice to hear because oftentimes there's so many chemicals in those conventional products.
The last time, sorry to cut you, I spoke with another naturopath, and then I was going, they told कि हर एक चीज़ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਖਰੀਦਣੀ ਹੈਗੀ ਆ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਪੜੋ, ਉਹਦੇ ਤੇ ਦੇਖੋ ਕਿ ਉਹਦੇ ingredients ਕੀ ਹੈਗੇ ਨੇ. So me, even into the healthcare line, or you can say being a medical student, I picked up one thing at the Shoppers Drug Mart and I was looking at it, and I don't know even half of them. Like this big list of all those chemicals which are in there, and we don't know what they're doing.
It's true. It can be very confusing to the average person. Now, when you think about skincare, ideally your ingredients, you want to be able to pick something up and read this and know what it is. And I can literally read this to you, and most likely you're going to know what everything is. So you'll see vegetable glycerin, coconut oil, jojoba, olive oil, safflower oil, there's castor oil in here, arrowroot, oat extract, peppermint, lemongrass. Like these are natural things.
Products,
and you want to know that your skincare is food grade. You want to be able to eat this. Literally, not that you want to eat your skincare, but still. But you want to know that your skin is not going to get damaged. Like you wouldn't want to eat, let's say, nail polish remover. But yet we will use it, right? So like you got to think about even the skincare, because a lot of the department store skincare will sometimes have some of those scary ingredients in them. So definitely want to use an organic line. This one's a really nice one for that reason. It's actually neat because there's no binding ingredients in this product.
ਅੱਜ ਦਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਇਹ ਸ਼ੋ ਹੈ, ਜਿਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਵੀ ਜਾਣਦੇ ਹੋ ਕਿ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਹੈਲਥ ਟਾਕ ਵਿਦ ਬਲਬੀਰ ਦੇ ਜਿੰਨੇ ਸ਼ੋ ਨੇ ਸਾਰੇ ਗ੍ਰੇਟ ਸਮਾਈਲਸ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਸਪਾਂਸਰਡ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਨੇ. ਗ੍ਰੇਟ ਸਮਾਈਲਸ ਇੱਕ ਮੋਬਾਈਲ ਡੈਂਟਲ ਹਾਈਜੀਨ ਕਲੀਨਿਕ ਹੈ, ਜਿਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਅਗਰ ਕੋਈ ਡੈਂਟਲ ਹਾਈਜੀਨਿਕ ਦੀ ਅਪਾਇੰਟਮੈਂਟ ਚਾਹੀਦੀ ਹੈ ਜਾਂ ਕਲੀਨਿਕ ਕਰਾਉਣੀ ਹੈ, ਪਾਲਿਸ਼ਿੰਗ ਕਰਾਉਣੀ ਹੈ, ਤੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਕਾਲ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ. ਉਹ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਘਰ ਦੇ ਡਰਾਈਵੇ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਆ ਕੇ ਜਾਂ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੰਮ ਤੇ ਆ ਕੇ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਸਰਵਿਸਿਜ਼ ਦੇ ਸਕਦੇ ਨੇ. ਮੇਰੇ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਸਾਰੇ ਹੀ ਸਰੋਤਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਪਿਆਰ ਭਰੀ ਸਤਿ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ.